Hello everyone, myself Viren Patel from Mohawk College. I'll be presenting my capstone project today. So my capstone project was about a job website where user can apply for a job, recruiter can post a job, and obviously and mainly the admin role. So this is a landing page of my website. I'm going to show you some functionality of a student, or I would say a freelancer. So currently I'm logged in as a student. This is the home page, and it's all about code of conduct, some jobs here, some junior level jobs helping the new grads, some people that a user might know. Now I'll go to the next page, which is trends. As the name itself says, trends, it's all about trending skills, trending jobs, trending employers. You can feel free to click here, and you can feel free to add your resume here, and that way you can apply for some of the trending jobs available in the market right now. You can click on the skills and you would be able to get more information in detail in Wikipedia. These are some trending employers. You can always keep track who has posted how many jobs, and same with the employers. These are sorry, some of the freelancers that are trending right now based on their skills and company they have worked with. A portfolio here, a user can create a portfolio. I have a script that currently checks if a user has a portfolio. It will guide him to view or edit a portfolio or delete a portfolio. But if you don't have a portfolio created, it will allow you to create one portfolio. There are 4 pages in there. It's about this is just more kind of general. The next page is education, the third page is work, and the fourth page is your files, resume. Now, this is the job switch. This is the most functional part, most big functionality of this project. Here, these are all the jobs posted by the recruiters right now, and you have filters. So you can filter based on salary if you want, and you can see the change, or you can filter based on the skills. If the skills exist, it will filter, otherwise it won't. And the city. So if you want a job which is just in Toronto, you can always search. Here I have used an OR filter, so you can only filter one of them at a single time. You cannot enter two of them at the same time. I have not used that functionality. It's just OR. So either you can use salary or skill or the city. And if you click on this more detail, it should give you a new page where all the details about this job has been posted. You also have access to Google Map. From here you click view map and it should automatically say the direction from the place that the user is currently standing. And I would say he can also apply for a job if you would like to, because since he's registered. This is more of a user side. Now I will show you how we'll use the portfolio page. I'll show you portfolio page if you have created your portfolio. So this user has already created the portfolio, and once you create your portfolio, it will be something like this, where you can change the information, or maybe you want to delete a portfolio. Deleting will allow you your data to set to null, and you're again creating your portfolio if you would like to change information. Here you can feel free to edit something and click on change information, and if the attack is sorry and if the insert is successful, it will automatically guide you to the home page, and if you click this, it will delete your portfolio. That way, if you may want to create a new one if you would like to. Now I would like to show you a functionality of a recruiter. Recruiter has almost the same functionality. The only thing that's changed is he can actually add a job. So here he can add all the details in the job, and he can say add a job, and that job will be reflected in this page. This is more kind of a recruiter role. I'm really proud to have my capstone done, and it was a challenging time, but I would say it was worthwhile. I learned a lot. Sorry, I typed wrong credential. So I would say it was a really good learning experience. I learned a lot. Here, this is the admin functionality. This is the admin page. Here you can see some more tabs other than the normal user or recruiter can see. Users page is more kind of a page where he can see all the list of users. He can a user a admin can delete the users, or he can delete a portfolio of the users, or he can add a recruiter, add a user, or a trending scale. In future, I would like the whole page of my trends to be updated and inserted by admin. So currently I just have trending skill, but in future I would add more skills and more functionality that will be useful for admin. If you go to recruiters page, you will see a list of recruiters. We just were logged in with Wiki just now, a second ago. Admin has access to delete the recruiter. He can add a recruiter or add a user. Job config is more kind of the same functionality as same functionality, but I would say he has ability to delete a job, and he has ability to add a job. This was all my capstone. Thank you so much for listening. The only wrap up things I would like to say is it was I have used Bootstrap, and everything else has been coded by myself. It's just a very easy code. I have used PHP extensions and PHP files, nothing complex. And in terms of hurdle and challenges, it was a pretty challenging course, pretty challenging capstone project, but I finally did it. I am very happy with it. I always thank my professors and all the team from the Mohawk College who always supports my friends, my family, especially Joseph Russell. I would He's my biggest inspiration in my capstone and any other courses. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. This is Viren here. Just the last thing to mention that my project has I've implemented the messages that should work after the insert or update or any subform or sub has been submitted, but sometimes you might not find the messages appear in case if you edit or edit a portfolio, it just go back to home page. So just wanted to heads up and notify that I was working on it, but maybe I have not fixed it. But the only thing I can say is when if anything you submit anything and if it goes to the home page, that means it's a successful thing. Because whenever in my code I said that if any submit if there is any submission of forms, then and if it's successful, if the data has been inserted or edited and whatever it was supposed to do, then I redirect my all the pages to home page. So just wanted to let you know that my messages sometime works, sometime doesn't. So I would fix it as when I'll take it live. Thank you so much.